Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we dive into some life-changing advice from a 92-year-old doctor. If you or a loved one are over 70, you might want to pay close attention, since what you eat might actually affect your life. Imagine having lived for many years with a clear mind and a healthy body. It may sound like a dream, but today, we're revealing some secrets that can make you feel healthier and vibrant every single day. Before we begin, please let me know where you are watching from. It will be great to feel closer, regardless of how we are physically apart. Also, don't forget to like and comment on how you feel about this topic. Have you ever wondered why some foods can harm you more as you age? In today's video, we're going to talk about a list of 8 everyday foods that you might need to look into if you're over 70. These foods can affect your vitality, your heart health, and even your state of mind. Our topic is based on insight from a doctor who has seen many years of life experiences. Therefore, if you care about healthy living, sit back and pay close attention, because making a few wise decisions in your diet can help you enjoy a better quality of life. Number 1. White bread and refined pasta. White bread and refined pasta are prepared from grains that have been depleted of most of their fiber and nutrients. This indicates that while they are easy to consume and digest, they might cause your blood sugar levels to increase fast. A quick surge in blood sugar may contribute to a burst of energy, but shortly after, you can suffer an energy crash that makes you feel exhausted. Gradually, depending too much on these foods can lead to weight gain and other health problems. For individuals over 70, keeping steady energy and stable blood sugar levels is crucial, and these refined carbs can work against that objective by giving little nutritional value and perhaps damaging your general health. Number 2. Sugary cereals. Sugary cereals might seem like a simple and fast breakfast choice, but most of these cereals are loaded with excessive sugar. This high sugar content could disrupt your energy balance, creating fast spikes and drops in blood sugar that can make you feel exhausted or less attentive. Furthermore, sugary cereals usually lack the complete grains and fiber essential to keep you satisfied until your next meal. For elderly people who require constant energy levels and adequate nutrition to maintain their health, these cereals might be a bad choice. Rather, using cereals that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber can give a more consistent and healthy start to the day. Number 3. Processed meats. Processed meats like hot dogs and deli slices are delicious, but are associated with some negative effects. These foods are usually high in salt and preservatives, which might cause extra stress on your heart and blood pressure. The salt in these foods helps preserve them, but taking too much salt can contribute to high blood pressure, as well as heart-related problems. Additionally, most processed meats contain chemicals that can have negative effects when consumed consistently over a prolonged period. For individuals over 70, it's crucial to choose food that fosters a healthy heart and general well-being. Therefore, limiting processed meats will be a significant advance toward better health. Number 4. Fried foods. Fried foods are popular due to their crispy texture and rich taste, but are associated with certain drawbacks. If food is fried, it absorbs an excessive amount of oil, which means it might have a large amount of unhealthy fats in it. These fats, particularly when used in deep frying, can increase the risk of heart disease by increasing cholesterol levels. Moreover, fried food might be more difficult to digest, which could contribute to discomfort or indigestion, particularly among elderly people. In the long run, consuming a lot of fried food might contribute to weight gain and other related health problems. For individuals over 70 who need to be careful about heart health and digestion, it may be preferable to avoid fried food and embrace healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or grilling. Number 5. Soda and sugary beverages. Soda and sugary beverages are commonly enjoyed for their sweet taste and refreshing fizz, but they might have hidden risks to health. These drinks are high in sugar, which can trigger a quick surge in blood sugar levels accompanied by a sudden decrease. Such fluctuations might leave you feeling exhausted and can lead to long-term health issues like diabetes. Additionally, sugary beverages add more calories to your diet without giving any vital nutrients. For elderly people, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important, and the frequent sugar surge from these beverages might contribute to energy imbalances and even weight gain. Replacing soda with water or unsweetened drinks will help maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 6. Fast food. Fast food is a simple choice when you're in a hurry, but it is usually harmful to your health. Most fast food meals are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can work together to produce a recipe for weight gain, high blood pressure, and other chronic health issues. Fast food is often made fast, meaning it might not be prepared in the healthiest way possible. For instance, most fast food items are deep-fried or made with processed ingredients that have lost most of their nutritional value. For individuals over 70 who need to be cautious of heart health and maintain a balanced diet, depending on fast food too regularly might be dangerous. Choosing home-cooked meals prepared with fresh ingredients is a better choice for keeping your body healthy and strong. Number 7. High-sodium canned soups. High-sodium canned soups are popular options for a quick meal, but they can be dangerous if you take them frequently. These soups are made with an excessive amount of salt to help maintain the flavor and lengthen their shelf life. Yet, higher levels of salt can increase your blood pressure and put a burden on your heart, particularly among elderly people. Consuming excessive amounts of salt may also contribute to water retention, which makes you feel bloated and awkward. For individuals over 70, keeping blood pressure in check is important, and limiting salt consumption is one approach to helping maintain a healthy heart. Rather than depending on canned soups, consider preparing your own soup with fresh ingredients, in which you can control how much salt is used. This little change can make a tremendous impact on your general health. Number 8. Salty snacks. Salty snacks like chips and pretzels are simple to grab whenever you're in a hurry, but they usually have high quantities of salt. Taking excessive amounts of salt from these snacks might result in high blood pressure, which in turn increases the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, these snacks often have little nutritional benefit while adding extra calories to your diet. They might become a habit that adds to an unhealthy way of life gradually. For individuals over 70, keeping a heart-healthy diet is important. Therefore, it is recommended to minimize these kinds of snacks. Instead, look into choosing healthy options like unsalted nuts or fresh veggies with a light dip, which can satisfy your desire while improving your general health. Thank you for watching and joining us on our mission toward better health. Remember, every little change you make in your diet will contribute to a major improvement in your general well-being.